Hello everyone, so today we will learn about Instagram application, and through this video I would like to show you the way how you can do Instagram story collaborations on iPhone. You just need to open your Instagram applications right away and make sure that you are signed or logged in with your account. And whenever you done to logged in with your account, just take a look on this button feature, make sure that you stay in the home sections right here. But then if you can also another alternative way, go click this plus button to create a story, but sometimes the Instagram will automatically bring you into the home story, and then you just need to go click this plus button on this profile that you have on this home story, and they'll bring you into the access of your Instagram, the photo library that you have. And then you just need to go pick the picture that you want to do the collaborations with your friends, and now just tap in this A icon on the top side here, and then there will be like two options pop up down part here right in the top of your keyboard, and then you just need to go to this mention, and then you just to mention your friends that you want to do the collaborations with. So this collaboration will give the access to your friends that you tag into your story to repost this story, so that they will have the same story with yours. So after you're done, you just need to go click this add to your story, and you're perfectly done. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.